He's a really easy horse to be around. You know, he's a big horse, but he's, you know, very much a gentleman. He's always shown us a lot of talent in the mornings, and you know, nicely he's now proven that on the track.
Trained by Simon Callahan and owned by Arnold Zetcher, Firing Line has shown to be high quality in just 3 starts.
He came into us from the Keeneland Breeze up sale. You know, initially he was a big horse, so we just kind of took our time a little bit with him. We were planning on running him at Del Mar, and we just had a slight setback, so we just, like I said, backed off a little bit and then got him 100% ready for his first race at Santa Anita, which he, you know, ran really good going 3/4. And
Firing Line chasing on the outside. All right, digs deep, finds more. Firing Line closing the gap late. All right to get there.
you know, we always knew stretching out was when you're really going to see the best of this horse.
Firing Line would make his second start during the Bing Crosby meet at Del Mar. He would still race 1 turn, but the 6.5 furlong distance would provide Callahan with a glimpse of what his lineup David Colt is capable of.
Firing Line striding up smartly on the outside. Anytime, any place, can't go with him. And Firing Line stylish today. Here's 3 for Mike Smith. Really just had to point this one in the right direction. Firing Line hand-ridden to an impressive win.
When he won, we expected it, and you know, it was nice to see him do it that way. He's always been, you know, far and away my best 2-year-old, so you know, I guess it would have been disappointing, you know, if he didn't do it as impressively as he did.
Next, Firing Line would make his stakes debut in the Grade 1 Los Alamitos Futurity. The small 5-horse field included a highly touted Bob Baffert horse and a D. Wayne Lucas colt that was already making his 7th start in a stakes race.
You know, Mr. Z is a very hard-knocking horse that's ran a lot of times, you know, 2 turns, and you know, obviously Dortmund has always had a very good reputation.
They're up. Clean and even beginning. Dortmund began well, but Firing Line on the outside along with Mr. Z. Those 2 will go on with it.
A little frustrating to run so good and not win. But, you know, I think the big thing with this horse is the future, and, you know, I believe he's going to get better as a 3-year-old.
Firing Line has made his move, and he puts his head in front. Mr. Z, they've been 1-2 the entire journey. It's the race we've all been waiting for. Firing Line has his nose in front. Mr. Z battles right back. Dortmund still a half length back third. Mr. Z, the experience. Dortmund on the outside with the brilliance. They're coming to the wire with Firing Line between them. Firing Line or Dortmund. Photo finish. A thriller in the futurity. What a race.
I just saw a very solemn Simon Callahan walking past our set.
It was what a horse race. They all ran pretty hard. I mean, I was just so fortunate and lucky that he got the bob.
You know, I think arguably you could say that we were the better horse, but whatever way, it's all about the future with this horse, and, you know, I think he's got a bright one.
In his 6th year since coming to California, it has taken Callahan time to convince people that this one-time Newmarket trainer from England can train more than just turf horses. These days, Simon can walk down Shed Row and see quality dirt horses. Firing Line has even allowed Callahan to at least think about the possibilities of the Kentucky Derby.
We've always really thought the world of him, but, you know, very much at this time of the year, you know, so much can happen. So we're just going to, you know, keep our feet on the ground, take it 1 race at a time, either the Bob Lewis or the, you know, the San Felipe. It's definitely a strong crop this year, I believe, in California, and you know, I think we've certainly got one of the better 3-year-olds here. So hopefully we can just keep going and making good progression and make the Kentucky Derby.